This is how my AI scanner works, powered by, of course, you can see, you can hit add demo to see what all you like. You have vegetable fried rice, you have tomato garlic pasta, and you can hit it. It shows how easy it is, how much it will serve, how many it will serve, I should say, and how long it should take. It gives you the instructions on the right and the ingredients on the left. You can add your own ingredients. If you get rid of this, and you can hit eggs, and then it gives you a different match. Sorry, a different match. Tells you how many you can serve, tells you your ingredient match. As you can see right here, ingredients match 1 out of 6. And you can upload a photo or scan with your phone, which I highly recommend for people to try it out for themselves. Don't just take my word for it, try it out for yourselves, see how you like it. Thanks.